Alright, it's Monday, about 5 in the morning, and apparently this park is supposed to be haunted, and I've heard many people tell me that there's sightings of, I don't know, people, spirits walking around this park, either late at night or early in the morning. So I'm gonna check it out and see if we can't find some good enough film. So I brought my trusty dog, and hopefully she'll warn me of any danger, or at least give me time to run. So we'll see what she can sniff out here. I'm gonna go to a couple spots here in this park, and where most of the sightings have occurred. So let's walk over to the first spot. There's a little pond over in the corner of the park. Supposedly there have been a couple sightings there, so let's head over there. A little bit of woods over here. It's really dark over here, so pull out my other flashlight. What's that? Dog chasing something. What was that? What? Shit. I'm gonna back away from here. Trying to get back into the with my dog. See what's going on over there. Thought I saw something. What do you see? Alright, let's keep going. That place freaks me out. Weird mist. And all of a sudden, shoot around if you can see that. I'm not sure if you can see that on the video of that. Some sort of figure over there. I'm not sure what that is. Alright, well, I'm getting the fuck out of here. Let's go. Alright, well, I'm gonna head out through here and get over to this clearing, and then put my dog over on a leash and walk her to the other end of the park where the bridge is. lit area. I'm gonna turn off the camera for a minute. Get my dog back over here. I finally got my dog here, and we're gonna head over to the bridge. Where probably most sightings have occurred, at least 5 that I've heard of. So I'm gonna go leash my dog and we're gonna walk over there. Get over here. Come on. Let's go. Sure is freaky out here though. I didn't think I'd be this scared. But it freaks you out when you hear all these little weird noises. It's gonna be a little ways to walk to the other side of the park, so I'm gonna turn the camera off and turn it on right before we get over there. Alright. Alright. Back. We're getting kind of close to the spot, so apparently people have been coming home late at night or going to work real early in the morning. I've seen people standing on this bridge, and then when they get closer, they're not there anymore, so we're gonna go check this out. Guys really play tricks on you. Out here. Okay, we're almost here. This bridge. Supposedly, somebody committed suicide here. I'm not sure how, but I see them on this bridge all the time. So, I think we're going to walk over here, sit down. I'm just going to point my camera for a couple minutes over here. See what I can capture. I'll get my other flashlight. My dog is going crazy over here. Chasing. I don't know what. Show yourself. Oh shit, I'm getting the fuck out of here. It's too fucking weird.